I was meeting with a student today from one of my group coaching programs, and she asked, I've got to raise $20,000 for a project. How do I even start? What do I do? The first question I asked was, do you have your current and potential big gift donor list updated? Somewhat, she said. I have people flagged in my database. Well, we needed to refine that potential donor list. This is one of the first things you need to do to get started in raising money for a project, and that is create a top 100 list, a list of potential big gift donors. So let's think about what that looks like. Here are 3 steps to get you started quickly with your potential big gift donor list. Number 1, start with your database. We often overlook those in our database. We think we have to find new donors, donors who we have never met, who would give if only they knew about us better. That may be true, but most fundraisers overlook those individuals already in their database. So first, you want to consider those who have given in the past or at any level, and those who have been engaged in some way. Consider, have they in the past 3 years made a gift, volunteered, or attended an event? Are they consistent givers or receiving your newsletter? In looking at this list of donors, step 2, go one by one and determine if they are potential large gift donors. I have a 3-point test, which is 1, are they passionate about your cause and the work you do? You may know this because of their actions or comments they have made. Number 2, are they philanthropic? That means, do they give to other organizations similar or not similar to your mission? And 3, do they have the means to give at a level considered large gift for your organization? In my student's case, we decided that $1,000 was the size gift she wanted to go after because that's the threshold for large gift donors at her nonprofit. And she had quite a few donors right above and below that mark. Now start developing your list with those who meet the 3-point test. And finally, step 3, you ask yourself these 3 questions from the list you just started. 1, did they just recently make a gift? If not, can they give more or make a $1,000 gift? And 3, and probably most importantly, does their passion align with this project? Can they get behind this important endeavor? If so, add them to your top 100 list. That's how you get started putting a large gift donor prospect list together. Start with those right under your nose, then look for new donors. And that's another topic. You must create a prospect list of large gift donors to raise significant funding for your nonprofit or for a specific project. If you want more tips and strategies each week, be sure to click on the link here.